Hey guys, welcome back on the YouTube channel Mwana Wekaya. If you haven't watched my first video, which is how to make ginger juice, please do so. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Leave a comment so I can improve myself. I am new on YouTube. Thank you. As on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make African hot sauce from scratch. Easy way. Let me put on it. Easy way how to make African homemade hot sauce. So let's get started. Alright? Hot sauce. Alright guys, here we are. I have 4 packages of hot pepper. I have my oil. I have my salt. I have my blender. And my onions and garlic all cleaned up and ready to go. So what I'm going to do, which is the red ones. You can use the green ones or the yellow ones. But I prefer the red hot pepper, which means it's gonna be very spicy. So I need to clean them up, and remove the tail. I'm gonna remove all of it. I don't want the tail in the sauce, so this is how it's gonna look like after I'm done. So here we are. It's the cleaning time right now. Alright, now I'm done cleaning it. Okay, now it's cleaned. I have about 8 onions, and I used 5 head of garlic, 5 of them that I already cleaned up here, and 8 onions, 4 package of hot pepper. Now, I am going to put it in here in the blender. I don't need to put water in it. Okay, here I am. It, and I'm gonna start it. You have the off button, slice, puree, and push pause to chop. So I'm gonna go strictly on puree. Okay, so this is the first peppers that I blend, and now, as you can see, it's as if it chopped the pepper. It's not puree. Even though I select the button puree, but it's not puree, it's chopped. Like round or minced, whichever word you prefer, but it's not puree. So here I am, emptying my last packet of hot pepper. I really don't want to use my hands on touching the blade of the blender because even this is already spicy. So I'm gonna start cooking this, and I'm gonna prepare my onion and garlic to pass it in the blender. So for now, this needs to cook. So I'm gonna set the stove to 7, number 7. And it's gonna start cooking this. I might have to add a little bit of water, so I'm gonna rinse this. I don't want so much, just a little bit to get it start cooking. Because after a while, I'm gonna want this water to evaporate so I can put the oil in it. So that's the last step. So for now, this needs to start cooking. Here we go. Alright, here we are. I am done with my, I blenderize the onions and the amount of garlic. 8 onions and 5 heads of garlic. That's what I got. So now it has been cooking. And what I'm about to do is I'm going to add all the onions. Last me 1 year or 6 months. I don't eat it. There you go. And I will tell you how to store it at the end, how to keep it to last long. Now here how it is. I'm mixing it, onion, garlic, and hot pepper. Easy way, plain and simple. Now this is gonna be need to be cook for a good amount of time. So I'm gonna put it on a low because I don't want it to burn. And once it's cooked a little bit, I'm gonna add oil and then a lot. As you all know, salt helps preserve food. I'm gonna add a lot of salt. Okay. So after boiling for about a few minutes, as you can see, it's starting to steam up. Now, what I need to do, I'm going to add oil. And I'm gonna add a little bit more oil in it. I have to mix it very thoroughly. Now, this is where you're all gonna be shocked. The amount of salt I'm going to put in it. Remember, this is hot sauce. It's just to add taste to your main meal. So the amount of salt I'm going to put in it is a lot. Now, like I'm gonna be eating the whole pot. The only thing I do, I add a teaspoon of it to my main meal to have taste. So the salt in it is gonna be a lot, and what's gonna help it preserve it for a long time. Some more salt. So then leave it cooking until it's done. Alright guys, so now it has boiled and this is the end result. As you see, the oil and the hot pepper have separated. So as of this, you can if you had yourself already a dish made and then you wanna try it, go ahead. Warning, it's really hot. Some hot sauce have a level of from 0 to 10. I will rate this 10 on 10. So it's really hot, burning spicy hot. So you don't want to take a big scoop like this to put it on your dish. No, you want to try it first. Start with a little bit amount, and then add as you eat it. So there you go. Now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna portion it in a small container and put it in the freezer or in the fridge. For me, I choose to put it in the freezer because that's what I want. For some of you who has young children, and if you put it in the fridge, sometimes it's hard to monitor the kids. They go in the fridge and serve themselves. What if they grab the bowl of hot sauce and there you go, they spill on the floor, they get their hands in there, in the eyes, in the mouth, and it's already too late. So that's the reason why I choose to put it in the freezer. It can be kept in the fridge also. So for me, this is going to last me about 6 months to a year. So I'm gonna obviously use it for my favorite dish. So here I am, I'm gonna portion it out. Okay, here we are. I make sure that I mix the oil in the pepper because it has separated. So now it's evenly mixed. So I'm gonna do it this way. And then obviously this is gonna give me maybe a lot of containers. So there you go. So guys, thank you so much again for watching. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your notification, comment, share, like, share with everybody, leave a comment so that I know that you watched. Again, please stay tuned, and thank you again, and I'll see you next time until my next video.